Welcome to my in-depth review of Shrimpy, an automated crypto trading bot designed to help traders and investors optimize their portfolios with minimal effort. In this video, I'll explore everything from setup and key features to pricing and overall user experience, giving you a clear understanding of what to expect before you decide to use this platform. Let's start by taking a look at the Shrimpy homepage. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible even for beginners. Right at the top, you'll see the main value proposition: automated portfolio rebalancing and trade execution. This means that instead of manually adjusting your crypto portfolio, Shrimpy does it for you based on your preset strategies. To get started, you need to create an account. Signing up is straightforward, requiring only an email and password. After logging in, you're greeted with a dashboard that provides an overview of your portfolio, performance metrics, and trading strategies. One of the standout features of Shrimpy is its portfolio automation. You can link your exchange accounts via API keys, allowing Shrimpy to execute trades on your behalf. It supports multiple exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, and more. Once connected, you can set up rebalancing rules based on time intervals or percentage thresholds. This ensures that your portfolio remains diversified without constant manual intervention. Another powerful feature is the social trading aspect. Shrimpy allows you to follow experienced traders and copy their strategies automatically. If you're not confident in your own trading decisions, this can be a game changer. You can browse different leaders, analyze their past performance, and select a strategy that fits your risk tolerance. The backtesting tool is also a great addition. It lets you simulate different trading strategies using historical data to see how they would have performed in the past. This is essential for anyone looking to refine their approach before committing real funds. Moving on to pricing, Shrimpy offers a free plan with limited features, while the paid plans unlock more advanced automation, deeper analytics, and higher frequency rebalancing. The premium plans are competitively priced compared to other trading bots, making it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced traders. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video. While Shrimpy offers many benefits, it's important to consider the risks. Since it relies on API connections to your exchange accounts, security is a priority. Users should enable two-factor authentication and follow best security practices to protect their funds. The user experience is generally smooth, with responsive customer support available via email and a comprehensive knowledge base covering frequently asked questions. However, some users have reported occasional API connectivity issues with certain exchanges, which can disrupt automated trading. Overall, Shrimpy is a solid choice for anyone looking to automate their crypto trading and portfolio management. Its user-friendly interface, robust automation features, and social trading capabilities make it a valuable tool for both beginners and experienced investors. If you're looking for a way to simplify your trading strategy while maintaining control over your portfolio, Shrimpy is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and crypto trading insights. Thanks for watching.